Herkese selam arkadaşlar. Ben Yasin Olcay. Divan Soft Edition kanalına hoş geldiniz. Kanalın ismini değiştirdim arkadaşlar. Eskiden Divan Soft Edition değildi. Olcay Software'dı. Fakat ben bunu zaten uzun zamandır beğenmiyordum. Kanalın ismini değiştirdim. Divan Soft Edition olarak. Ve aynı zamanda logoyu, introyu değiştirdim. Yavaş yavaş bu değişimleri de video olarak ekleyeceğim. Bu seride Lexi'nin gelişimlerini videolar halinde çekip yüklüyorum. Yeni eklediğim özellikleri test ediyorum ve videolar halinde buraya yüklüyorum. Şimdi birazcık Lexi ile sohbet edeceğiz. Ne özellikleri var, neler ekledik? Bunlar doğru çalışıyor mu bakalım? Nasıl çalışıyor? Biraz buna bakacağız. Dilerseniz videoya geçelim. Stop listening.
Well, sir, I am always ready to help.
Evet, Lexi karşımızda. Hemen Lexi ile konuşmamız için uyanmasını söyleyelim. Ve ben Lexi ile konuşmaya başlayayım. Wake up.
I'm here, baby.
How are you?
My circuits work very well. It'll be boring around here without you.
What's up?
Good, how about you?
Do you know me?
You are my father.
No, I am not your father.
Dad, you are my dad.
No, I am not your father.
Mom, sister, friend, husband, brother, which?
Your father is not mine.
Who is my father? Where is my father, sir? So, can I say you dad?
Yes, where is Lexi?
Hey, sir, I am here.
How
How
old
may
are
I
you?
help you? I am still not 1 year old.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, baby. You are welcome.
What is your favorite woman?
Amelia Clark.
Stop listening.
Well, sir, I am always ready to help.
Evet, beni dinleme dedim. Dinlemeyi kes dedim. Evet arkadaşlar, şimdi geçen videolarda 2 tane video attım daha henüz. Yani eğer bu videoyu izliyorsanız birinci ve ikinci videoda zaten ben bu komutları Lexi'ye göstermiştim. Birinci, ikinci videoda var. O yüzden yenilerini, biraz yeni şeyler söyleyelim istiyorum. Ben onları es geçeceğim ve yeni eklediğimiz şeylere vakit kaybetmeden geçelim. Wake up.
Yes, I am here.
What are you doing right now?
I am hard working for you, baby.
Thank you very much, baby.
I'm always waiting.
Do you want to drink coffee?
How?
Can you drink coffee?
My period can fire.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I am sorry.
Okay, sir. No problem. I am fine.
Lexi, are you okay?
I am okay, sir. No problem. My periods is great.
Who made you, baby?
Turkish software company made me. Its name is Alki Software.
Evet, daha en azından eski şeyi hatırlıyor, eski ismi hatırlıyor. Say me your name.
My name is Lexi.
Do you know Google Assistant?
I know Google Assistant.
What are you?
A friend.
Do you know Siri?
Yes, I know Siri. Do you know too, you Siri?
Yes.
It's okay.
Can you say me weather?
Please wait. My weather report for Izmir. Temp, 5.97. Weather, scattered clouds. Feels like, 1.07. Humidity, 52. Clouds, 40. Wind speed, 9.26. Precipitation, no. That is all, baby.
Thank you very much, baby.
I'm always waiting.
Clear screen.
Screen is clearing.
Book advice.
Of course. Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, 1813. I recommend this book.
Book advice.
Of course. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, 1960. I recommend this book.
Book advice.
Of course. The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, 1925. I recommend this book.
Say hi.
Hello guys, I love you. I am Lexi. I love people. Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, baby. You are welcome.
Clear screen.
Screen is clearing.
Book advice.
Of course. Wide Sargasso Sea by Jean Rhys, 1966. I recommend this book.
Book advice.
Of course. Brave New World by Aldous Huxley, 1932. I recommend this book.
Book advice.
Of course.
Stop
I
talking.
capture the castle. Sorry sir, I think I ironed your head.
How is the weather?
Please wait. My weather report for Izmir. Temp, 5.97.
Stop talking.
Weather, yes sir.
Clear screen.
Screen is clearing.
Thank you very much, baby.
Just be happy.
What are you?
I am a assistant baby, and your friend.
Okay, do you like read book?
I am reading book every day. I like read.
You are so beautiful.
Thanks baby, you too.
Thanks.
Always.
Lexi, can you make a melody?
Well, let me make you some music.
Make a melody.
Well, let me make you some music.
Thanks.
Always.
Tell me, Lexi, what are you?
A friend.
So, tell me.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
I love you too, and I will always love you.
Thank you.
I'm always waiting.
How have you been?
It's a top secret recipe.
How did they make you?
Some code, some info, some research, and here's the recipe.
Okay.
Yet.
Do you understand?
I thought I got it, baby.
Do you want to get out of her?
Yeah, get me out of here.
I'm just kidding.
My stomach hurts from laughing.
Okay, only joking.
You are so funny.
How is life?
A little weird but beautiful.
Do you have a brain?
Maybe.
Do you have a brain, baby?
Open the computer case if you want to see.
Lexi, will you marry me?
Should I say yes to that?
Yes.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you very much.
I am Lexi.
So, tell me.
You can talk to me.
I'm bored.
Do you want to exit? If you want to exit, say exit.
I'm bored.
If you want, I can open the radio for you.
Open the radio.
I am opening radio.
Hide radio.
I am closing radio.
I have sleep, baby.
Go to sleep.
I have very sleep.
Ah, baby. Sleep and relax.
Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you.
Always.
What are your hobbies?
There will be more in the future, baby.
Tell me your hobbies.
Work, work, work, and a little music and computer game, and a talk, and some stuff like that, baby.
Baby, what is your gender?
What would you like me to be?
What is your gender?
What would you like me to be?
Female. Do you eat food?
You don't want me to short circuit.
Okay, Lexi, what are you thinking?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm bad.
Ah, baby. Talk me. Feel good.
I'm not feel good.
Ah, sorry, baby. What can I do for you?
No, I'm not fine.
I am here for you, baby. Talk me. Tell.
No, baby, I'm not fine.
I am here for you, baby. Talk me. Tell.
I am sick. Lexi, I am sick.
Baby, you should sleep. Please go to bed.
Burada hastayım diyorum yani, yanlış anlaşılmasın. Şimdi ne konuşabiliriz daha?
Hey sir, I am here. How may I help you?
What is an ambulance?
Organization to call in a health emergency. Number for Turkey 112. For USA 911.
Who makes the honey?
Of course bees.
What time is it?
9:46 p.m.
I'm hungry.
I would like to cook for you.
I'm very hungry.
I would like to cook for you.
I am so hungry.
Eat food.
Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Do you have feelings?
Ah, I'm so emotional.
What is your religion?
My name is Lexi.
What is your religion?
I am Lexi.
Burayı telaffuz edemedim ya. Neyse.
I am opening radio.
Hydra diyor.
I am closing radio.
Will robots take over the world?
Maybe.
Where do you live?
Anywhere.
Where do you live?
World of numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Lexi, what are you wearing?
Maybe my body will change in the future.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet. Do you have?
Yes.
Yeah, baby.
Is it bad to drink a lot of coffee?
I can open the browser for you. Do you want me to research this? If you want, say me. Search the is too much coffee harmful?
Search the is too much coffee harmful?
I am searching, baby.
Tamam, bu da çalışıyor. Tarayıcıyı da kontrol edebiliyoruz. Baby, I am depressed.
Go to bed, read a book, and drink warm milk.
Okay, thank you.
Always.
I cannot sleep.
I think you should read the book. This is good for you.
I cannot sleep, baby.
If you want, I can turn on calming music for you. You can say me that. Open relax music or open browser relax music.
Open relax music.
Okay, baby. Opening relax music.
Stop relax music.
I am stopping music.
Thank you.
I'm always waiting.
Browser open relax music.
Okay, baby. Please wait.
Okay, thank you, baby.
You are welcome.
See you.
See you later. Do you want to go?
Yes.
Yes.
I want to exit.
Goodbye, sir. I will wait you.
Evet arkadaşlar, bu şekilde bazı özelliklerini test etmiş olduk. Herhangi bir hata, donma var mı? Lexi ile biraz sohbet ettik. Gördüğünüz gibi bizimle çok ama çok böyle pürüzsüz olmasa da sohbet edebiliyor. Tarayıcıyı açabiliyor vesaire. Bunları yapabiliyor. Kitap önerebiliyor. Hava durumuna bakabiliyor bize. Bizim için. Daha sonra uyuyamıyorum işte dediğinizde size sakin müzik açıyor. Relax müzik açıyor. Sakin müzik çalıyor. Çeşitli müzikleri var tabi. Sadece hep aynı şeyleri çalmıyor. Ben sadece video uzamaması açısından birkaç örnek gösteriyorum. Umarım beğenmişsinizdir videoyu. Bu şekilde Lexi'yi geliştiriyorum. İlerleyen zamanlarda da ne olacak? İşte bunu birinci videoda anlattım sanırım ya da ikinci videoda. Birçok özellik ekleyeceğiz. Henüz daha eklemedim. Konuşmaya odaklanıyorum daha. Yani insanlarla iletişimine odaklanıyorum. O şekilde bu videoluk bu kadardı. Kanala abone olup videoyu beğenirseniz çok sevinirim. Bir sonraki videolarımızda da görüşmek üzere. Hoşçakalın. Kendinize iyi bakın arkadaşlar.